Oh yeah, I built a new charger setup. So this box is very similar to the one I created before, but I moved it to the right side using that 30 amp socket, so now I can do 24 amps out of this. And this thing, same like before, you just shove the cable in there and it will kind of coil itself up. To hold this in place, I kind of should have opened the garage to show this because it's pretty cool how I did it. Maybe let me open the garage and show you guys. I'll open it part way because I don't want to open it completely, but I'll just open it enough to kind of show you what's going on. This one flap, so I combined two boxes, if you can see here. So the way the box folds closed, there's a flap that goes like this, and it has a piece that they glue to the side like that. So basically I opened that flap, and then the part that goes across, I stuck it together and taped them together. We'll see how well it holds up. Hopefully that will hold it together well. And then yeah, let me open the garage and I'll show you what it looks like on the other side. Alright, so I don't want to open this all the way, but here you can see the charger is in there. Okay, and it's plugged to that extension right there. The extension, I know it has power because it has that blue light. The box, I left this flap down and then I put a foam on top, so when I close the garage, it actually will close on top of it. So here you can see it has this big opening. Okay, and of course that pushes against the back there. Okay, and then the other flap, as you can see, I left it open and I folded it in half so that I could shove it between the garage. That way there's no way this thing is coming out. So that holds it really tight, and I just basically push this all the way as close to the garage as possible, and then when I close the garage on it, it keeps it from coming out and it stays in place really well. So that's my new setup. It took quite a while to make this box, but here you can see. I can't see what I'm recording because it's behind the garage. But anyways, that's how I set it up. I don't want to open it too far because then I have to ensure that this box goes into place again. The way I did that was I lowered the garage down till it was like about here, and then I made sure it went in place, slid it up manually, stuck something underneath to keep it that high, then closed the garage a bit more, put it into place, and then closed it all the way. So basically like how it is now, and then I just close it and it will stay there. If I want, I can put the kitty litter box on top and that'll help hold it a bit more, but yeah, that's already good enough. So I'm just gonna leave it, and that's my setup. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.